Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Solana. A very, quite urgent update, to be fair, because we actually had a bearish breakdown this morning. The Asian session today was relatively weak, not only for Solana. I mean, you can take a look, you can take a glance across the markets, and you'll see the same. All right, you take a look at Bitcoin, you zoom all the way out here, and you can see that most altcoins have dropped down a fair bit over this Asian session for multiple reasons. I mean, it seems to be mostly external reasons, which obviously also do matter for crypto, but you can see US equity futures at least trading slightly lower. You can see the volatility index going up. You can see gold going up. So there seems to be a little bit more uncertainty right now in the world, but also in the markets. So then what you can see, or what you see very often, is that risky assets such as Solana get hurt at first. And what that meant is that, what we talked about yesterday is that we still had this major support level right here between the value area high and this trend line. All right, so you had this zone of confluences, which could still, if we got a strong touch from there, could bring the price back up. That's what we talked about yesterday as well in the video, but also in the middle of the day market update, I think. But we never got that strong reaction. I mean, you can see on the 1 hour time frame here, when we hit that level, we basically already broke down below the level here around 135 before we even found any support there. So that's a massive bearish confirmation. There was also a lot of volume coming into this. It was like for Solana, it was a very high volume move down here. For other altcoins, the volume was slightly lower, so that's also not a great sign. But what that means technically right now, deleting this trend line, is that we have dropped back down into the previous range. All right, the previous range was, arguably even between 136 or 133, and then the support right here at 122, and we're back in that level, and that's what's happening right now. I would argue, just for simplicity, that the main range is between 136 and 122. But that is the structure that Solana is in here, right? Yeah, I mean, if you extend the value area high, or if you extend the volume range, you also get the value area high right here at 135. So that's where we are. All right. Now I have to say, with the bearish move we've had this morning, we've left some imbalances right here in this move. Like, this is a fairly imbalanced move, even though there was quite a lot of volume. What you'll see if you zoom in is that there were certain levels, I think, especially right here at 136, where we left a single print. So that's just an imbalance. You can also use fair value gaps for that. You'll see the same. So that's almost looking like a great short, because I mean, the only way, and that's very much at this point of time, it seems like the only reason why Solana could still turn into a fake out, right? And that Solana breaks back up. The only way we can do that, I think, is if Bitcoin turns very bullish, right? And that is certainly a possibility. In crypto, a lot is possible, as most of you know, but it's definitely also not the most likely scenario here, all right? It looks more likely that Bitcoin will feel some sort of an imbalance here as well. But that as long as the uncertainty in the fundamentals remains, that Bitcoin will remain relatively weak, Bitcoin dominant strong, and therefore what I think we should expect from Solana today is that we might fill up that imbalance right here, but that we will drop back down into the POC right here around 128, 126, and then from there we could potentially drop down lower to 122 if we don't get a strong reaction. But initially, that's the first support we'll meet. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know about Solana for today. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.